Transportable Shade Sheds teaching facility, a sustainable learning setup for rural areas. Providing education to rural areas is still a big challenge to countries worldwide. Children climb hills and cross rivers just to learn from the nearest available school. We now have the means to change this and bring the needed education to kids in a sustainable setup. Introducing Transportable Shade Sheds teaching facility. The idea is to use off-grid solution to power and sustain a modular teaching facility that can be easily deployed to remote areas that don't have access to education. It can be transported using a truck or airlifted to remote areas inaccessible to land vehicles. Our teaching facility uses a 40-foot container to contain every tool, equipment and building materials to assemble the facility. These buildings are easy to build and does not require an electrician or builders. Everything is DIY and building this facility requires no trade skills. The main parts of our teaching facility are the container classroom and the solar shed. The container classroom is air-conditioned and can fit up to 30 students. It uses satellite communication to provide wireless internet for the teachers and students. The solar shed can hold up to 24 solar panels as its roof. Under this shed structure are facilities such as battery storage, composting toilet, water tank and filtration unit, atmospheric water generator, power generator, and a living space. The shaded area at the middle can provide space for recreational or outdoor activities. This teaching facility is fully off-grid, and it does not rely on any external infrastructure. It uses free energy from the sun and is stored into the built-in battery system that powers the whole structure. There is a backup generator system to power the facility in case the weather is not favorable for power production. The facility connects to the internet from either satellite or the nearest available network hotspot. Students are taught by the teachers online via the large monitor screen and tablet computer. The teacher's aide on site shall set up a classroom and will assist the students during class. Virtual learning makes things a lot easier and will provide students with a whole new way of learning. This facility can also produce clean water using atmospheric water generator that collects water from the air. It is stored in a water tank and then passes through the built-in water filtration system to produce clean and safe drinking water. The facility is also designed to collect rainwater during rainy season. Our teaching facility also comes with a composting toilet, a self-contained, waterless, and odorless toilet system. This toilet system does not require the use of any chemicals and has zero polluting discharge, a perfect solution for remote areas where there is no proper sewage system. Here is how our composting toilet works. Solid waste and urine goes down the toilet and into the composting area. Bacteria, compost worms, and fungi break down the solid waste into a nutrient-rich organic matter. A fan pulls fresh air down the toilet and the air duct and vents it out through a ventilation pipe. This keeps the system odor-free. With this sustainable teaching facility, we can now establish the foundation of learning to millions of kids worldwide, in the most rural places with no access to education. For more information, visit shadesheds.com.